Hello, this is Kevin Byrne and Joseph Ryan presenting the Web Services and API Development RESTful API for an online banking service. I'm Kevin and I'm here with Joseph. Joe?
Yeah, so we'll discuss throughout this presentation. We'll discuss some of the challenges we faced developing the project and the accomplishments and achievements throughout the project and where we could improve in the future.
Okay, so some of the challenges faced. The major challenge I think we both faced on this one was time constraints, particularly with the other assignments and different deliverables that we had for different projects. Time constraint was a big factor in this project. The main result of that was that we didn't have sufficient time to enable a front end. So we just have the WebAPI service, although it is mostly working. We mostly the thing that we don't have working is the get method to check the balance, which is one of the requirements of the project. And another thing to mention is that we had constant trouble with NetBeans and the local Jetty server ports being blocked and not running, that sort of thing.
Okay, so some of the accomplishments we made developing the project. So the project developed API methods. Methods are enable the creation of customers and account transactions. On a transaction, sorry. So that means from customers, the user can go in and they can create a new customer. From there, a new customer can create multiple accounts, either a savings or a current account. And also, transactions then can be generated based on the lodgement, withdrawal, or transfer methods. So we are successfully able to return resources by specific IDs as well, and we can do that throughout all resources of the app. So we're able to transfer funds from one account to another account. We can withdraw funds, and we can also deposit specific accounts by ID. So the application also has completed CRUD functionality, so we can create, we can get data, we can update data, we can also delete the data.
Great. Okay, so as I said, we didn't finish everything that we set out to achieve. Some of the improvements that we would like to make if we had more time. We'd obviously like the front end to be implemented. As mentioned, that isn't in this project right now, but it is something that we would love to have the opportunity to do if we had more time. There's also no security features currently in the project. We don't have any. If this was to be put up online, it would be very susceptible to any and all security vulnerabilities. We didn't have time to implement anything to do with that. There's also not really any request validation. This would be mitigated somewhat if there was a front end, because it wouldn't be open to the end user as easily unless there was a malicious intent. But right now, there's no real request validation for what is sent through the methods for the API. And that's it. So hopefully that gives you an idea of the project that we have, and hopefully you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you very much.